this account. I lost a little bit on one of my other accounts, but doing all right today. So I'm marking up my zones. Already marked them up before, but just kind of cleaning them up a bit right now. Let's play some music. These are, oh, this is a 4-hour. Okay. 1 hour chart. Zones. Have this little zone here because it's tapped a few times. See here on the heikin ashi, like there is absolutely no bottom wick on these 1 hour candles, and this is a perfect doji candle. I was in from here, I closed early. I should have just trailed my stop loss because this was nice. This was really nice. And now that we have this here, now we have a new zone. Zone. Let's see what this looks like breaking across. Yep. So now we have to see how it reacts into this zone. This is a consolidation zone on the 1 hour. So watching how it reacts on the 1 minute, but this is still above the VWAP. So really, if this 1 minute, the VWAP starts changing up for this 1 minute, and I get a nice confirmation, if I can get this 1 minute to break this structure here, come down about here. Then we can look for some sell entries because it's been pushing up for how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. So we should expect some type of retracement. Correction in the market for New York. So we should see some sells here soon. Just gotta wait. And I already took a trade this morning, so I don't want to overtrade because of my psychology has already had a couple of wins, so I don't want to get overly confident here. So this is what we want to break. I want to break this. I want to get out of this zone of consolidation. So that means if we were to get out of this zone of consolidation on the 1 minute, I mean on the 1 hour, we would need to break to come back below here, 2160. So below here, sells, nothing but sells. That's what we're gonna wait for. Now I'm gonna look at the 15. Alright. Got the 5. And for these Heikin candles, if you're new here or new to Heikin candles, when you see nice fat candlesticks with no wick at the top, that's good for a good confirmation for entries. And see here, this could have been a nice trade. It's above the VWAP, it's in the zone, it's projecting to go lower, and we're currently in an uptrend, price action wise. So here it would have broken structure right here, so we could have gotten it here and then put our stop loss below this body, and we could have just targeted a nice 2 to 1 right there. See, that's what's why we're not selling yet, because we're still in a pretty strong uptrend. We got a lot of bullish momentum right now, especially on the higher time frames. So we will wait. I'm gonna look at this on the regular candlesticks right now. So on the regular candlesticks, the 1 hour has no bottom wick. But it's not really doing too much. So for all we know is the next hour could come down, make a bottom wick, and then just start continuing to push up. How to set TP stop loss. Is this Sam? Sahil? Is this Sam? Oh, my bad, bro. Okay, so on Topstep X here, let me go to my practice account. You can literally go to your practice account, bro, and just practice, man. Like, you can just do a lot of random entries and figure out things. That's what I did. I just went to my practice account and started just fucking around so I can figure out exactly how to use this shit. So over here, you can bring up, I think it's order. Yep. So you can go to add components over here and bring up order. I don't know what your screen looks like, but let's say that we took a buy.
Order filled.
Oh, oops.
Order filled.
When you use order, make sure right here it says gold, because I fucked up and I sold on like ES or something. And I'm like, where the hell is my order? But okay. So you take an entry.
Order filled.
Alright, say we took a buy. And it's literally just like TradingView. You just drag it. It's just like that. Easy. But the thing is, on futures, can't really show you until it gets there, but let's say that the price came up here to like 1 point, to like 21.65 or whatever. If I were to buy here again, it's going to take the average of the two positions, and that's going to be your entry. So it would probably be like right here in the middle. That's the thing about futures with contracts. It's going to take the average. And if you want to, say I
order
bought two
filled
here. I have 2 contracts in now. And let's say that I wanted to sell 1 contract. So on here, you'll go right click, and I'm going to buy. So we're going to do a sell limit of 1. And watch here. Let's just do this so I can just show you. Oh, come on, just hit it.
order filled.
Alright, so see, it filled it, but it filled only 1 contract. So when you you are in a buy and you want to fill one contract, you do a limit sell. And if you want to set a stop loss, you do a limit, stop sell. And then it'll come down here and hit stop loss, yada yada. But that's usually only when you have multiple entries in. There's other ways to do it, but I just find this the easiest way to do it if you want to close one contract. So yeah, that's how that goes. Also, if you notice that you're in a buy, right, but you notice that you're wrong and it's about to sell instead, you can just reverse the
Order
position,
filled.
and it'll put you in a sell instead. It's a nice platform. I like this platform. It's very nice. And if you want to just close all the positions, say I
Order
have
filled. Order filled.
say I have like 3 positions in, and I want to close all of them, you just do flatten all. Because if you just
Order
do,
filled.
well, you could just hit close position too, but sometimes that fucks up. So flatten all works too. And here's how you increase your contract size. And for gold, 10 ticks is going to be $100.
Order filled.
I mean, not 100. 100 ticks is going to be $100. There's 10. I mean, there's $1 each tick. So 10 ticks, $10. 100 ticks, $100. So forth. Down here, and this is nice too. You know, it's like on TradingView. Yes, sir. You're welcome, man. I'm just waiting. Damn, there's a lot of bullish momentum. Probably pricing in a lot of this shit for Wednesday. For news. Should get another coffee.
Order filled.
But yeah, so that's that. We got some abnormal. What we have going on right now is some manipulation. That's what's happening right now. Hi. We do have music today. Is it too low? Is it a little bit louder? Like, is this, if I bring it here, is this good? Is this too loud? Can't. Oh, you can't hear my voice. Okay. Is this good? Is this better? We have a lot of fucking bullish momentum, yo. And I'm pretty sure that this is all manipulation in preparation of something. What's happening this week? Let's see what's happening this week. FOMC statement on Wednesday. Federal funds on Wednesday. We have PMI as well on Thursday. I feel that we are pumping up today and tomorrow in preparation to drop for news this week. So that's my idea. Oh God. Don't tell me that, because now I'm like nervous for when our election time comes up later on this year. I need to get out of here. I need to get out of this country. Hungry. You know, not much is happening for me yet. It's in my zone. And why is this my zone, you might ask? Because if I switch to the Heikin candlesticks, this is a huge area of consolidation. Here, and this area broke past this consolidation area. But then this one broke past it too. So this area is a pretty strong zone for indecision. Pretty big indecision level. So that's why we're waiting to see what happens in this zone, whether it wants to push back up or is it coming back down to retest this zone. Volume is coming in soon. It's 7:54 Eastern Standard Time. Should get some volume pretty soon, but I'm still waiting. This is where it's at right now under 1 minute. It's in this little 1 minute consolidation zone here. See? These are Heikin candles. So we gotta see what it's gonna do in this zone. I don't even have to look at the current candles because it's in this zone. I can see the price here. So if it breaks up above here, and it breaks above here, we could be looking to fill the rest of this range all the way up. 2166, what is that on regular gold forex? That is going to be 2159 is what it's at right now. So to fill that range, it would go up to 2162, 2163, 64 for forex gold. Friday. Oh, it's Friday. What's Friday? Tell us what Friday is. Can't keep teasing us like that. You said that yesterday. Was that yesterday? You said that yesterday. And then, you know what? I'll be patient. I won't jinx your good news. I have to watch this. It's now above this consolidation zone. What time is it? I have to see how this closes. Oh, let me go to my regular account. It might be sad news. Well, let's not talk about it then. Let's not focus on it being sad news, because it's not sad news yet. It's not good or sad yet. So let's just chill. See. Oops, hold on. I want to add. Oops, go. Oh, banners. Here we go. There we go. $21.59. Based off of what? Why did you do that? What's your plan? Because the 1 hour closing in literally 2 minutes. So why did you, what's your plan for that? You see all this bullish momentum? There's no sign for sales yet. For me, at least. But if you see something that I don't see, you take it. But for me, we're still pretty bullish. We are still pretty bullish. Well, you shouldn't be trading like that. Of course, it's gonna continue like this if you have no care for it, you know? I mean, it's good to not have any emotions attached to trading, but you still need a plan. Because come on, you just bought the account, you know? You don't want to just get rid of it that quickly. Because at that point, you're just gambling, you know? If you lose an account the same day you got it, what does that tell you? Can the music go a little bit louder? Because it's so low on my side. But if not, it's fine. I'm gonna change it. I'm probably only gonna be here for like an hour or two. Maybe an hour. Because like I said, I already got a win this morning on this account. I switched to the other account just in case, something went wrong. And it did go wrong. But I didn't lose anything on this account. So really? That's booty cheeks. Let me see what I can do about this. This audio. Reduce mic background noise. Echo cancellation. I don't know. I wish I could hear it myself, but I can't hear it. I mean, I can hear it. I mean, on the stream, like what you hear. So yeah, we're just waiting. We're just waiting. I'm gonna watch this 1 hour because it just opened, and we are still bullish. There's still no bottom wick on this 1 hour. I mean, it's only been 2 minutes, but let's say this heikin candle 1 hour breaks this top wick. We could fill this entire range up to the next zone. Because if we pass this consolidation zone, then we're going to be mimicking this or this pattern. Because look, it passed through this zone when it was bullish once and went all the way up. Passed through it twice, went all the way up. But the thing is that it created a higher low, and then it created another higher low. So what we could be doing is creating another higher low in this zone, because it hasn't been touched yet, just to continue back down and then consolidate in this zone again. So we'll see what happens. That's my plan. That's my plan. Maybe I should just talk louder. US 30 in futures is called, I wrote it down. US 30 in the futures is called the Dow Jones. The symbol for US 30 is YM. So it's all the same in futures, just might have a different name. Like ES, S&P 500, let's see what it does. Patience. I hope you went BE at least or something, because I'm pretty sure it's about to break out of this. Here, this is my forex tab, because I still have my forex account, my funded account with Nova. See if this 1 minute breaks past here, bro. We're going up. We're going up. I mean, we've already should have expected some type of pullback. Maybe New York will pull us back. New York open. I mean, already opened, but like the crossover of New York and London. Has broken it. This looks pretty good on the regular 1 hour candle. This looks pretty good. So now we just have to wait for some type of confirmation on the lower time frame. Because it's good that this 1 hour came up and broke this high, and now it's starting to come back down. So if this 1 minute for me can come back down here and break this structure, I'm gonna look for some sells, but not yet. I mean, a good stop loss for you could be 2164 on the forex end. If you're in still at that 2159, if you're even in here anymore. Yo, though, I am hungry. I need to make some foods. I only need 3K to pass this challenge account. That's why I'm like, yo, let's take our time. Let's take our time, because we have all of this liquidity to grab. Doesn't mean we're gonna come all the way back down here. We could just reject off of this zone and start pushing back up again. So let's see. Because if we do, I'm gonna target down here. This will be my target. I'm not getting in yet. I don't really know where my entry is yet, but this is gonna be my take profit all the way down here. I'll be back. I would, because I mean, I would for me, because I don't have any true confirmation of a sell yet. I mean, it looks like it's about to start selling, yeah, but no, I have not sold yet. Not yet. I don't have good enough confirmation for a sell yet. Based off of my rules, it's above the VWAP. So typically when it's above the VWAP, I'm only looking for buys. Like, could have had buys all the way up here, you know? Have multiple breaks of structure, multiple order blocks created. Because every time there's a break of structure, it typically leaves an order block. I'm not selling yet. I'm not selling yet. Oh no, see how it's like teeter-tottering back and forth, buys and sells, and I also have this volume indicator down here. There's just so much bullish momentum for me to. I have to wait. I have to wait. You know how many wins we get from waiting? You know, instead of wanting to be right. Because like, even if you're in a losing trade, closing it at $200 or 1% or 0.05% instead of allowing it to continue to go up to lose maybe 3%, that's a win. Because you could have lost this, but instead you lost this. Like if I were to have held my buy, my sell, I would have probably lost this account and had to reset it. But I'm not doing that, dude. I'm tired of doing that over and over and over again. Like it's money, and every single time we do that, we're just throwing away money. You know? So if we don't have any good risk management with our money in real life, how are we supposed to have good risk management with our money in trading? That's something that I've really tried to teach myself. Higher low, lower high, lower low. I say higher low. I made a lower high, lower high, lower high. If it does create a lower high here, that'd be great. That'd be fantastical. That's the worst part about trading, huh? Is waiting. That's the worst part. But it pays off. No sells yet. They're coming though. They're coming. The sells, they're coming. Oh, I know they're coming, but not yet. Let me a little more volume. Might not even be now. It might be. Oh. The next 4-hour open. Oh, whoops. See, even this 4-hour candle has no bottom wick on the heikin ashi. None. Let me go back to the. I need to wait for this 4-hour candle. I think the next 4-hour we can look for sales, but that's in like 45 minutes. Just gotta wait. So I'm waiting here for 45 minutes. Read my description. We are focusing on patience, risk management, consistency, and not over trading. So if I can do that on my live, this is me journaling my own trades through live so that I can go back and look on them, figure out what I did wrong, figure out what I did right, rinse and repeat. So now we have a new breaker structure here. We have a new zone. So now that we see it's bullish, we gotta see like, what is it aiming for? You know, what is it targeting? It could be coming all the way up here just to make a top wick. That's 64. We have double top here. It's a good zone. Consolidation, breakout, past the zone. Yeah, breakout. That is good zone. See, it's still buying. No sells yet. I would buy, but it's risky in this zone. Oh my god. I've been awake since 3 a.m. It's 8:19. I'm just gonna watch this one out. There's a key level here. Where's my... Let's see where this is. They're still pumping. Maybe these buys were not over yet, man. I just knew they was not over. This is such a pump. This is what? Yeah, this is like 1,000. 1,000 tickers. Yeah, I would have definitely passed my combine if I were to have held, but all good, yo. All good, yo. What makes me nervous is this daily candle. Like, look at it. Just look at it. It just literally be coming back up here to grab this liquidity and then start dropping down. This daily candle had barely a bottom wick, so there wasn't really that much range left to go. Now it's rejecting pretty big, pretty heavily on the daily. Let's look at the week candle. Alright, it's just tapped the top of my zone. Let's see how it reacts. Tapped of it. Wow, it tapped the top of it pretty perfectly. So, but see, now we have another breaker structure here. Put it left behind a little tiny order block. Little tiny order block right here. I gotta wait. What? Oh, oh. Oh, look at this shit. It's still pumping. It's still pumping. What is it targeting? We have to find out what it's targeting. We're coming up here, man. And we're coming all the way back up here. Now we're tapping this consolidation zone. So if we break past it, we're going up. If we reject it, we're gonna start selling. This is what we were waiting for. This zone right here, it reached the top. It's been in the zone. It hasn't really had much of a rejection. So now, let's see. This gold's been pushing for, I mean, it's pretty much been closing bullish for since 12 a.m. So it's been pushing for almost 8 hours. Let's look at this 30-minute. Could see some selling pressure coming in here, or this is just a retest. Look what the 1 minute's retesting. It's retesting this order block it just created after breaking the structure. So let's see what it does. If it's gonna pass through the order block, or it's gonna start pushing back up again. Oh, so boring. Fuck. Oh. Okay. Looks like we got some selling pressure coming in. We could be risky here and take it. Wait a little more. This is nice and all. That's a nice closer on the 30. Yeah, but still gotta wait. I need more confirmation. I need more. More. So we took out Asian candles pretty much. It's the London, so let's see if New York is gonna be our retracement to retest London lows. This looks good. Yeah, we can get a break. For some sells. Oh shit. Nice little rejection. If we can get a pullback here. On the 1. Let me look at the higher time frame first. Alright. We're gonna be looking for sells. I think I'm gonna grab some sells here. Yeah. Yeah. Real soon. Let's need a cleaner rejection. What is my username? So that's why I didn't take sales yet. But if this starts closing past here, I'm gonna take a buy. But it wouldn't be smart to take a buy because we've been pushing up for so long. So I'm looking for sells. Bullish momentum is slowing down. But I guess it's best to wait for the 4 hour. Unless we can get a nice sniper entry. But looks like I'm gonna be waiting. This looks good. I'm not gonna lie. This looks fantabulous already. That doji closure right there. So look, if I can get a nice fat body candle, I need two. Come and break here. I'm gonna hop into a sell. I start getting wicks, and this body isn't even that big. Okay, yeah, we're still waiting. It could be our first signal of, hey, it's about to change trends. So let's see. This will probably be the last trade of the day for me, and then I'm out. Go do some shit. They're reading my chat. We gotta wait for this 4 hour closure. Looks good. But I need to wait. Because this 4 hour could come up and break this top wick and then start dropping. Honestly, I think that's what's gonna happen. Oh my god. Let's look at BTC. What's going on with BTC right now? Bitcoin's doing the same thing gold is doing. Why do they look alike? It's like Bitcoin is becoming the new hedge. Like why is Bitcoin becoming the new hedge? Well, to me, what's going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with crypto? Should really want to go. I am not. I'm still not in anything yet. I'm waiting for this 4-hour closure in 15 minutos because I'm expecting this 4-hour to come and break these highs and then start dropping, or to create an equal high and then start dropping. So let's see what happens. 15 minutes for me. Nothing. Nothing. Bitcoin gonna pump too. Bitcoin looks like it's gonna pump the next couple of days as well, and then drop. No sales yet. No sales yet. Oh, excuse me. Man. I want to roll a freaking joint. It's boredom. Oh, hold on a second. Lower, lower. It's 26. Take it so. Short position ready. 6 is it's like almost done. This looks good. I might take this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop into one contract here. Gonna wait 1 more minute. Actually, look on this 30-second chart.
Order filled.
One sell in right now. If it comes up a little bit more, then I'm going to hop into another one. 2 to 1 here. I would do 2 contracts, but I really want to wait for that 4-hour closure, and then I'll add another one. But I got one sell in now. So now we're just waiting. I got in based off of this structure being broken, and this one as well. We came up to our zone. We are respecting the resistance of it, and our heikin ashi candles tell us that there's selling pressure. There's no top wick, no top wick, no top wick. I'm gonna bring this up there and then just trail our stop loss. I'll probably get another position in soon. How is this a 2 to 1? That doesn't make sense. All right, let me look at this higher time frame real quick. How is this a 2 to 1? This doesn't make any sense. I'm just targeting a 2 to 1, but this, I don't know why. See, this doesn't make sense. Why is this like 360? If this, I mean, we could pretty much go break even right now. We broke the structure, so we really shouldn't come back up. If we do, then it's probably because the 4 hours closing and it's looking to retest. Let's look at this 5 minute. This 5 minute looks great. We're risk free right now. I might close early because of 4 hours closing. And then we could get another entry. Right here seems good. I broke past this structure, so this 1 minute could be retested in this area to push back down. And we could really come and leave this stop loss above this high here, because it could come back up to retest, but right above this one. So I'm gonna leave it here because, like I said, the 4 hours closing. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put $10 in profit just to pay for any fees. Takes us out. It's retesting, and a better entry would have been up here, but again, we can't get back in. We do this to manage our risk. Be in a good habit of managing your risk, but know when to manage it. Like, it broke this structure, so on the 1 minute, it broke it on the 1 minute. So that's why I went break even. And that's why I also took a sell here at the break of this structure, because now we should just continue down. Now we should just continue down. This could be easy. It's 4 hours about to close. Now I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna follow my plan. Because I haven't been following it lately. Like, I follow it, but then I close too early and I miss out on unrealized profits. But then a lot of times when I don't close, when I'm supposed to close, it hits break even. So, but this time, from now on, I'm just gonna follow my plan. I'm already risk free, so I'm not really losing anything. I'm already up for the day. Just follow the plan.
Order filled.
Alright, so we're out. Could come back up here to retest. Good risk management. Bueno. Probably hear yourself in this. Wait, I thought the 4-hour closed. Did it not? It's going up first. Ugh. Alright, we're gonna go in for another sell here. Gonna try these shorts one more time. I'm actually gonna go on a different account. don't know. I don't know about these cells, but still a little skeptical.
Order filled.
Taking a sell. Putting our stops above here. Oh, Zeus! I forgot. I don't know, it's tomorrow. And this one's out too, then sales ain't it right now. But I got in here because this 15-minute close below. Come back up to retest, and we should pop it down. About to be done though. I can feel the over trading coming, and this is gonna be my last trade because I'm about to clock out. What's this? Pretty down on this account. I think this is one I first kind of started on. Kept fucking up from learning how to adjust to these different types of take profits, stop loss, buttons, all this and that. I'm tired, mama. I'm only gonna keep one contract for this account because I'm already down, so just want to manage correctly. Just for this account. And I'm gonna trade the other one. I'm already up for that one for the day. Break even, so switched over to a double. So now we wait. It's 1 hour to break its low, and then I'm gonna move my stop loss to top of this 1 hour high. Because if we break this low, we're breaking this area on the 1 minute, which is what I need to be breaking. Ticks, 100 ticks, 130 to 120 ticks. We're looking to break 2162 on futures. That's like 3 numbers less than on gold forex. So I need this 1 hour to break its own low. And if it could just break this low, that'd be even better. At 2161, which is exactly what we need to be broken to continue this downtrend. All right, it's coming down. We got 140 ticks, 130 ticks, 150 ticks. Well, we can break this 2161.68. We'll be good to drive down to our take profit, which is 480 ticks. Right, we're coming down. We still have no top wick in these 1 minute candles. This 1 hour is getting close to breaking its own low and flipping. Oh. We came back up to retest there, like I said we would. When the 4 hour close, that's another reason why I got in. So I was looking at that level to see what it would do there. We're starting to reject. Pushing down. Alright, we break its own low. So now we're gonna move our stop loss to here to minimize our risk. Perfect. Now we're gonna move our stop loss to go in profits right at this break of structure level, then close past it. I might just get out and call it a day, but let's see what happens, what it does right here at this level. I'm actually gonna go ahead, since it broke past this level, I'm gonna go ahead and secure some profits. If it wants to come back up here, we're gonna secure 120 ticks. Because it just broke past this level. This is what I wanted it to break past, so that's why I'm securing some profits. And because we're pretty bullish, so we're just seeing what happens. I might get out. I think I'm gonna get out here, guys. 220 ticks. And I'm out.
Order filled.
We're done. I'm done. I'm done. Beautiful win. We had a break even, and then it was a retest to continue pushing down. If it comes down in here and hits our take profit, that's what it does. But for me, I'm done for the day. because gold's being a little weird today. Gold's being a little weird. When did you send that message? Yeah, I sold. I was in a trade. I'm out now. I'm done. I'm up. It was a great day for me. It was a great day. Besides that one bad signal that I took, which is why I just need to trade on my own. And just use signals as a confluence instead of actually taking them. Because I knew that his sell was incorrect. He sold way too early. There's way too much bullish momentum. But yeah, I'm done for the day. So bye guys. To whoever watches this later on, hope you can join me for another live stream tomorrow. I might stream for London and New York. We'll see what happens. But we took a BE for the day, and then we took a nice win. So we followed our plan. Good job. We were not greedy. And I'm happy with where we ended. Have a great day.